Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Look what we have here. Matterport Pro 3 battery. This is a box that it comes in. It says battery for Pro 3. Capture all day long with the rechargeable battery. Pinch the sides of the battery to insert into the base of the camera. So a couple days ago on December the 20th, 2022, Dan over at the We Get Around Network posted on the forum that there were Pro 3 batteries available on Amazon. And so I immediately jumped on that, went on Amazon, and sure enough, Matterport was selling Pro 3 batteries. So I put two in my cart and checked out, and it said delivery time would be right around, I think, January 4th through 7th. So I was a little bummed. I don't have a whole lot of projects coming up that I needed these for, but I did, it's Amazon, and I wanted them sooner than later. We're all used to Amazon Prime, I think, and having stuff arrive within a couple of days. So, lo and behold, though, today I got a delivery from Amazon, and it was my batteries. 2 days after I placed the order. Here they go side by side. So let's open it and see what we have. It's a battery. Yeah, looks like the one that comes with the Pro 3. And there we have it. 2 extra Pro 3 batteries. We're in business. Thanks for watching, guys.